Yeah. But this is proper right here. Look at that. It's like a buffet over here. Swing on by, guys. Swing on by. How's it, hon? It's so good. Oh man, see guys, you know it. Hello everyone and welcome back to Curious Food World. It is bright and early in the morning and it is Thanksgiving. So let's get started and see what we'll be cooking up today. It is Thanksgiving and we're just firing up the Traeger. Got a couple proteins ready to go and side dishes that we will be making. So we've got two items here. The first protein is our lechon pork belly. This rolled up, making it look nice. We'll get to the ingredients later on. We got our brisket, you know it guys, we're gonna get some brisket. So we'll just cook for about 3 or 4 hours, how it goes, and then we'll turn the temperature up to get the nice crispy edges and top layers that we need to guys, but we still gotta play it by ears. And we also have a chicken that's coming out here, but obviously your boy forgot to defrost it a day or two before and it's still kind of frozen. So we'll see how that goes. We might be having Thanksgiving dinner instead of Thanksgiving lunch. Either way, I'm so thankful guys. Boy got lucky this time. The chicken is fully defrosted and we are ready to go. The next thing we have to do is just marinate it and just get this out on the Traeger. Best rotisserie chicken is right here, my guys. Don't worry about the ingredients. They'll be listed in the description box below. One of our side dishes, guys, we are going to be making deviled eggs because my honey loves the deviled eggs as much as I do. And then we're going to go ahead and get started on some mashed potato, get that going. And hopefully there's enough potatoes. I think it is. I don't know. But it should be enough for mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes will be mighty fine, guys. I like my mashed potato chunky. Some people like it really soft and delicate. It's not my way, guys. My wife just did a quick taste test and she says it's fantastic, delicious. So the next thing we're going to be doing is some deviled eggs. We are done with the side dish. Let's move on to the next thing, which is what? We got stuffing, guys. So let's work on the stuffing and get that going. Almost there, guys. We got our gravy here, a delicious gravy we gotta get started on, and then the last thing I think we want to do is some nice salads. Just gotta balance out all the dishes that we have going on so far here. All right, so it looks like the gravy is pretty much done. We're gonna reduce the heat, just let it thicken on its own, and then we'll move on to making some delicious salad. Ooh, look at that stuffing, my guys. We got our olive oil for our salad dressing, along with some delicious avocado oil. Let's get at it, man. Yeah, buddy. Good, guys. Let's quickly check the pellets to see where we are at with things, guys. So after about 3.5 hours, we are about halfway into there. So not too bad. spicy that was, man. You know that's tender when it slides right through like it's nothing. There it is, guys. So we're good. We're good. I'm getting a little bit of extra smoke in there before we turn it off. Easy does it, easy does it. There it is. Man. That is my...
Oh yeah.
That is my juice. Oh, see how moist and juicy that is? Oh man, look at that. There it is. Oh, wow. There it is. Everyone, it took us 4 hours to get this done, but it is all worth it. Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you guys are grateful for a lot of things in life. For us, I'm grateful for my health, my family, God, and everything else that comes upon us. And try to be positive, guys. That deliciousness, guys. That broth. Oh, it's falling apart. Nice, honey. Yeah. I want the deliciousness. I'm gonna grab it, guys. Oh, man.